First, take off the center pieces and remove and choose the GES nuts if you wish to change them. Place the new GES nuts in the cube, but don't quite tighten the tensions that much. Disassemble the cube and put all the pieces onto a paper napkin. Wipe the individual pieces thoroughly. Make sure there is no trace of lube in the piece tracks. Wipe the metal in between the core and the sensor, as this is where your lube usually ends up. Finally, reassemble the cube, and before putting in the last piece, apply any piece lube you want to use. At the end, wipe the lube off the cube and enjoy.